Hello students, we will be starting with our practical for French menu. In the French menu, we will be starting with melon cocktail, which is an appetizer made with fruits. We will be using musk melon, we will be cutting it into different shapes and we will be mixing it with a vinaigrette, basic lemon vinaigrette, and we will be garnishing it with mint leaves, and we will be also adding mint leaves for freshness with the melon cocktail. In soup, we have crème de champignon. Crème de champignon is basically cream of mushroom soup. Champignon is mushrooms in French. So we'll be sauteing the mushrooms with onion, garlic and French herbs, basic French herbs, and then we will be pureeing it and we'll be thickening it with our basic bechamel sauce, which is one of the mother sauces. Then we have in main course Filet-O-Fish Mexican. We will be using one filleted fish. We will be marinating it. We will be crumbing it with breadcrumbs, herbs and cheese. Then we will be shallow frying it in oil. The reason for shallow frying it is to get the crispiness but not to cook it completely, as we have to cook it in the Mexican sauce which is there, which is prepared with onions, tomatoes and capsicum. And it will be lightly spiced, not too spiced or not too mildly spiced, it would be medium taste. Then accompaniments would be pomme bataille. Pommes is potatoes. Batailles are a style of frying the potatoes in thin strips and it would get completely crispy after frying, so it would be an accompaniment going with it. And the vegetable accompaniment would be broccoli avec amends. Broccoli, the vegetable which we have, will be parboiling it, will be blanching it and will be refreshing it for retaining the color, and will be tossing it with butter and almonds and will be seasoning it with salt and pepper. It's a basic accompaniment but goes very well with fish fillet. And in dessert we have mousse au café. Café means coffee. We will be making a mousse with stiffly beaten egg whites, whipped cream, and we will be thickening it with gelatin, and it will be having a coffee flavor used with coffee decoction that we have. So students, we will be starting with stiffly beating the egg whites first. We have to make it stiffly beaten so that it gets a firm top. It will take some time. We have to keep on beating it and making sure that no liquid residue of the egg whites keep coming on top. After that, we have taken well beaten whipped cream and we have added the egg whites to it. We have added gelatin to it and then we add the coffee decoction to it. So we mix it well, making sure there are no lumps of gelatin inside it. We add the coffee flavorings to it and then we put it inside a mold in which we are going to serve the mousse. We will tap it a little bit to make it look good on top. Now we will start with our soup. So for the soup, we will saute the onions and garlic first, then we will add the mushrooms, we will add the herbs, salt and pepper, and we will wait till the mushrooms leave its water and give a good consistency to it. This is the marinated fish. We will crumb it with breadcrumbs which have been dusted with various condiments and salt and pepper. After crumbing the fish, we are going to shallow fry it in oil. So once the mushrooms start leaving a little bit of water, we will mix it and we will keep it to cool. Now shallow frying the fish, we will put the base first and we will wait until it gets a golden brown color. We have to check it and then we will put the other side on. We have to just keep it for a few minutes, not to cook it completely, and then we will have to take it out once it gets color. Now we will start with the Mexican sauce. We have to saute chopped onion and chopped garlic. We have to add capsicum to it, chopped capsicum to it, salt, pepper, mixed herbs, and then we have to saute it a little bit. Then we add chopped tomatoes to it. This is the basic Mexican sauce which is there. Once it gets completely cooked, we have to adjust the seasoning with the herbs, salt and pepper, and then we have to adjust the consistency with water, a little bit of stock water, and then we have to cook it through. We have to cook it till the tanginess of the tomatoes goes, and it would take around about 1 to 2 minutes for it to cook. So we have to add the fish which we have shallow fried. We have to cut it in two and we have to cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes on both the sides, and we have to put the sauce on top and we will keep this done fish on the side. Now we will start with our accompaniment, which is broccoli with almonds. We have to saute the sliced onion with garlic. We have to toss it a little bit. We have to add this blanched broccoli which we have refreshed. As you can see, the color is still green. This is because we have refreshed it in cold water. We have added salt, pepper, almonds. Now we have added We are making a garnish for our coffee mousse. This is sugar. We have to caramelize it and make a sugar nest out of it. So once the sugar is caramelized, we have to bring it to a color where it is golden brown consistency, and then we have to drop the liquid sugar on top of a vessel, and then we have to collect it and make a nest out of it. We have to make sure that this does not go into moisture, or else it will come together. We have to use very soft hands. Now this is the mushroom puree of the soup. We have to adjust the consistency with stock, add a little bit of bechamel and seasoning, and then it would be done. But not the least, we have to start with the poms batile. Poms batile are basically fried potatoes, which are thin strips of potatoes, and once the oil is heated a little bit, we have to put it in medium heated oil, and then we have to add the potatoes which we have cut. We have to check the temperature of the oil. We have to put it in medium heated oil because we need the potatoes to cook, as we haven't parboiled them. These are raw potatoes, and we need to keep adjusting the temperature of the oil. We have to adjust the gas from below so that the potatoes get cooked as well as they get good color. We have to make sure that it does not stick at the base, and it would take around about 8 to 10 minutes for these potatoes of this size to cook in hot oil. Once we cook them to a golden brown color, we have to remove them, and then we have to toss them with salt, pepper. So that is the basic poms batile which is there, and we have to give it a good plating with the fish fish Mexican which we have prepared, as well as the broccoli, and we have to strain this remaining oil. This is the coffee mousse which we have prepared. This is the mushroom soup.